One of those cases happens to be an Austin High School student. Decatur City Schools reports the senior attended their graduation ceremony last week while they were waiting on test results. The test came back positive. At the ceremony, they were asked if they have been in contact with anyone who tested positive for the virus. They said no. Now they may have exposed others at the ceremony to the virus. This is a good reminder to always wear a mask and stay home if there's a chance that you may have the virus, even if it's your graduation.